Welcome to this Stack tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to become a Waze Beta Tester by joining the Waze Map Editor and actively participating in the Waze community. Whether you want early access to new features, enjoy improving maps for other drivers, or you simply want to contribute more to Waze and level up your experience, this simple, step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your web browser on your phone or computer and go to the Waze Map Editor website. You can do this by searching for Waze Map Editor in your browser. Once you see the official Waze Map Editor link, tap on it to open the page. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details during the setup process. Next, click on the option to log in and sign in using your existing Waze account. This should be the same account you use in the Waze mobile app. After logging in, you'll see a welcome screen where new editors can click Get Started. You'll automatically begin at level 1, which allows you to edit local streets and many points of interest. You can also try practice mode if you want to learn without making live changes. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. They're designed to be user-friendly, so there's nothing too technical to worry about. As you edit maps, add place details, and help correct information, you'll gain experience points. Over time, this active participation helps you progress through editor levels and get closer to beta-style access and advanced features. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you're logged into the correct Waze account, allow location access when prompted, and take time to read the Waze community guidelines. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent editing mistakes or restrictions. Once you've completed these steps, start exploring the editor and making small, accurate changes. After that, you'll be able to actively contribute to Waze and grow within the community without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to stay active and engaged, because regular contributions increase your chances of being included in beta programs and advanced testing. Taking this extra step ensures everything runs smoothly and builds your reputation as a trusted editor. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to become a Waze Map Editor and work your way toward beta tester access easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching this Stack tutorial video, and I hope you found it helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be interested in Waze editing. Why not make someone's day easier?